Hey guys, I have the hiccups again.
And it's me again.
They're really bad.
They're just as good as last time.
They're horrible, I hate them. And I got them from drinking Gatorade. How do you get hiccups from drinking Gatorade?
Gatorade. And that's G.
Thanks for clarifying that.
Gotta do a little plug. Maybe they'll get sponsored, you know? What are you looking at? Oh, my shirt.
And then my awesome Cobra Starship shirt.
Yay! Yay!
Did I just hiccup in your ear?
Yes. That felt weird. I mean, sounded weird.
I don't know. Anyway, we're watching YouTube videos.
Yes. Mediocre films.
Holy crap! One of these times. Oh my gosh.
Before I was so rudely interrupted. Stop it! We're watching mediocre films. Check it out. I'll put a little link thingy right here. They're a great video. They got great funny stuff. It's good.
Die. Don't drink that. It causes hiccups.
Oh crap.
See?
Whose chicken's this?
Not mine.
Are you just throwing this away?
Points at the shirt.
I don't know either.
And we're done. Guess not.
Oh my gosh.
What was that one?
Okay, so I look over, and all of a sudden the camera goes, and it's gone. And I look over, we filled up the memory stick from my hiccups.
Yes.
Anyway, tell me all your ways that you can get rid of hiccups. Do a video response or comment. Bye!
Gatorade.